This is the weather forecast video for Friday, August the 19th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a mesoscale convective system over the center part of the country, and a cold front situated over the Dakotas into Nebraska with a low pressure over Canada, another one over James Bay, and the monsoon over the desert southwest. Here's the watch warning map from around 12:30 in the morning. Severe thunderstorm watches south of the state over Kansas, Missouri down into Arkansas and Oklahoma, some flood issues over New Jersey, and some flood issues in the Central Plains. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock. This takes into account a lot of the rain from last evening over southwest Iowa, thus the precipitation amounts there are quite heavy, while the rest of the state is rather light. Here's the 0Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. today. And you'll see a northwesterly flow aloft over the state with a quick west to east flow with a trough over the east and a ridge over the west. With this, that low moves over northeastern Manitoba with a trailing front that may spark a shower or storm in the afternoon and into the evening. Otherwise, it'll be mainly dry. Saturday could be a early morning shower or storm. Model wants to be a little bit overdone with it. Could be a shower, maybe at 20 to 30%. Sunday, most of the moisture will be east of the state. We'll be seeing some partly to mostly sunny skies with highs in the lower 80s. Monday, new storm system and disturbance moves in from the west with some showers and thunderstorms possible by late in the afternoon and evening over the western half of the state, while the eastern half will remain dry. Tuesday, rain will be likely moving out of the state early in the morning with decreasing clouds and maybe some peaks of sunshine late in the afternoon and into the evening. Wednesday, another batch of some showers and storms with a cold front. Low pressure well up in western Ontario, so some shower and thunderstorm chances then. Thursday, that storm moves off to the east. High pressure moves in from the Dakotas. That could bring some decent weather into the state with highs in the 70s to near 80. Week from today, ridge developing again over the desert southwest, a trough over the eastern half of the country, and a possible tropical system off the western tip of Cuba. And at the surface, high pressure over the center part of the country, that tropical system off the western tip of Cuba, and some moisture over the eastern seaboard, and that's about all. We move ahead further into Voodoo, August the 30th. There's that tropical system having made landfall and is now over the state of Mississippi at this point. And with that, that's where a lot of the moisture will be over the south. And a frontal system will be moving into the plain states, and these two could merge, and at the end of the forecast on September the 3rd, ridge over the central and southern part of the country with a trough over the west. Otherwise, west-east flow, meaning quick moving storms, little if any moisture, and a few shower and thunderstorm chances. Now time for the Friday football forecast. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.